Hello guys, today we are seeing a garbage truck. The garbage truck is also a garbage body on top of the chassis. The chassis is made by Dongfeng. Same as other chassis, it has a cab but smaller than the last two videos we were seeing. Actually, you can see this is a 4x2 chassis. 4 means it has 4 braking drums. 2 means it has 2 steering wheels, I think. Alright, so the total weight of the truck is 18,000 kilogram, which is 18 tons. And inside, we can see inside is also same as all of the trucks. It has a bed in the rear, and it has some operating devices, the buttons, a safety hammer, okay, and a steering wheel, and also the chairs. I guess if we sit on the chairs, yes, it will rise itself by sensing your weight. Then when you get off, it's slowing down. It's pretty cold in the workshop. Alright. After the chassis, we can see garbage truck body on top of the mainframe. Same like all the other trucks, it has a mainframe and also has a subframe. On top of the subframe, we have one hydraulic tank here and a lot of hydraulic pipes and hydraulic devices over there. Okay, and also it has a operation button here. Here we can see it's collecting the garbage from the garbage can by those devices, I think. So those two devices would hold the garbage can up and then put it in when the door is opening. We can still see the inside to see if it has any garbage inside. Okay, it has garbage inside. So it is a garbage tank. Alright, so the garbage body to have its operational panels and the buttons and the warnings here, so only the professionals can operate it. You can see the hydraulic cylinder over there. I think it's trying to open it when you need it. All the garbage truck, as I know, it must have a collecting tank to collect the wastewater, because the water gonna rust the tank body or the box body very roughly. If you do not collecting them, the tank gonna be wasted anytime when you start to use it. So do not underestimate the garbage we are using every day. It's pretty powerful. Alright, hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and see you guys next time. Thank you. Bye. Have a good day.